The following moments will make you laugh until your belly aches, but it may have also made the owner cry. Watch now to know why. Not trying to annoy anyone, just want to get some attention right here.
Молодец, котик. Молодец, котик. Ура! Котик, молодец.
Ow!
Working is for the weak. Now spend time with me, human.
Stop it. Stop it. You be nice girl. No. That is not a nice girl. You be nice girl.
That's
The most intense chess match I've ever seen.
there. Hold on. No. What are you doing with your king? Stop. Wait. Stop. Please put the.
So we'll get to practice your handling skills of. Oh my God!
Proof that cats would rather fall than accept humans' help.
Oh my gosh, she's taking it worse. Ah, she's got it good. Oh my gosh, Bert, drop the damn camera and help, Bert.
Get her, Izzy.
Ah.
Your life will be both chaotic and funny when you raise cats.
Luna, you leave it. Oh my god. Luna, let me pack up this puzzle.